Break out. Means to escape or start suddenly. Example: a prisoner broke out of jail last night. Example: a rash broke out on her skin after eating peanuts. Put down. Mean to place something on a surface. Example: she put down the book and went to bed. Put down. To criticize someone. Example: he always puts me down in front of others. It's so rude. Hand in. Means to submit something. Example: please hand in your assignments by Friday. Look out. To warn someone about danger. Example: look out. There's a car coming. Set up. Means to arrange or establish something. Example: we set up the tent before it started raining. Example: he set up his own business last year. Run over. Means to hit someone or something with a vehicle. Example: be careful not to run over the curb while parking. Turn down. Mean to reject an offer. Example: she turned down the job offer because the salary was too low. Go back. Means to return to a place. Example: I forgot my wallet. I need to go back home. Pass away. Someone has died. Example: her grandmother passed away peacefully last night. Stand up for. Means to defend or support someone. Example: you need to stand up for yourself when people treat you unfairly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.